Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the absolute next level in 2026? What if I told you you could get your hands on the incredibly powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 paired with an Intel Core i5-14400F and a massive 32 gigabytes of blazing fast DDR5 RAM? All pre-built, tested, and ready to plug and play? Today we are taking a deep dive into the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop PC, specifically model D14 NVP5-613US. If you are in the market for a high-performance computer tower that can handle intense gaming, everyday productivity, and demanding educational software without breaking a sweat, you're going to want to hear everything I have to say about this machine. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to quickly remind you that if at any point during this video you want to check out the MSI Codex R2 for yourself, see the current pricing, or read more customer reviews, I have placed a direct link down in the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to get the most up-to-date price on Amazon, and it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you these in-depth reviews. Now, let's get right into the hardware. Let us start with the absolute star of the show, the graphics card. This specific MSI Codex R2 model comes equipped with the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, featuring 12 gigabytes of lightning-fast GDDR7 memory. If you know anything about the current state of gaming, you know that the RTX 50 series is an absolute monster when it comes to graphical fidelity and raw performance. With the RTX 5070, you're not just buying a PC for today, you're future-proofing your gaming setup for years to come. This graphics card interface uses PCIe Express and is fully VR-ready. Whether you want to push ultra settings at 1440p, dabble in 4K gaming, or explore immersive virtual reality environments, the RTX 5070 handles it flawlessly. You get the incredible benefits of NVIDIA's latest ray tracing technology for ultra-realistic lighting and shadows, plus the magical performance boost of DLSS, which gives you higher frame rates without sacrificing visual quality. But a world-class graphics card cannot do its job properly if it's bottlenecked by a weak processor. Thankfully, MSI has paired the RTX 5070 with the highly capable Intel Core i5-14400F processor. This CPU has a base speed of 1.8 GHz, but when the system demands it, like during intense gaming firefights or heavy multitasking, it can boost all the way up to a maximum speed of 4.7 GHz. The Intel Core i5 series has long been the sweet spot for gamers. It provides exactly what you need for peak gaming performance without overcharging you for enterprise-level features you might never use. Whether you're running the latest AAA titles, streaming your gameplay to Twitch or YouTube, or running demanding educational and productivity applications, the i5-14400F ensures a smooth, stutter-free experience. Now, let's talk about memory, because this is where the MSI Codex R2 absolutely blows a lot of the competition out of the water. Most pre-built gaming PCs in this tier come with 16 gigabytes of RAM. MSI said, let's double that. This machine comes out of the box with a whopping 32 gigabytes of DDR5. Yes, you heard that right, DDR5. Not only do you get a massive capacity, but you're also getting the absolute latest memory technology, boasting speeds of 6,000 megatransfers per second. Why does this matter to you? Because 32 gigabytes of DDR5 running at 6,000 MT per S means your PC is incredibly snappy. You can have your game running, a web browser with 20 tabs open on your second monitor, Discord voice chat running in the background, and Spotify playing your favorite playlist, and this system won't even flinch. Plus, if you ever feel the need to upgrade years down the line, this motherboard supports a maximum RAM size of up to 96 gigabytes. For storage, you're getting a 1 terabyte solid-state drive, specifically a high-speed NVMe SSD. Hard disk drives are a thing of the past for modern gaming. With this 1 terabyte SSD, your Windows 11 operating system will boot up in seconds. Your loading screens and massive open-world games will be reduced to a mere blink, and transferring massive files will feel instantaneous. 1 terabyte is a fantastic starting point, giving you plenty of room for your operating system, your favorite core games, and all your essential software. Let's shift our focus to the physical design, cooling, and connectivity of this computer tower. The MSI Codex R2 features a sleek black case that looks modern and professional while still maintaining that aggressive gamer aesthetic. It weighs in at 21.3 pounds and has dimensions of 16 by 8.38 by 19 inches, making it a perfectly sized mid-tower that fits comfortably on or under your desk. To keep all these high-end components running efficiently, MSI has utilized a robust air cooling method powered by a reliable 750-watt power supply. This ensures that your RTX 5070 and i5 processor receive clean, stable power while maintaining safe operating temperatures even during marathon gaming sessions. When it comes to connectivity, MSI has left nothing out. In a world where wireless speed is everything, you'll be thrilled to know this desktop features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E, which means if you have a compatible router, you can expect wireless speeds and low latency that rival a traditional wired connection. Of course, it also has built-in Bluetooth to seamlessly connect your wireless headsets, controllers, or other peripherals. If you prefer a wired connection for absolute zero latency, the system includes a standard LAN Ethernet port. Speaking of ports, you'll never run out of places to plug in your gear. The system features a total of 8 USB ports, including ultra-fast USB 3.2 Gen 1 and standard USB 2.0 options. For your monitors, the video output interface provides both HDMI and DisplayPort connections directly from that incredible RTX 5070. And as a fantastic bonus, MSI includes a gaming keyboard and mouse right in the box. This means that if you already have a monitor, you simply unbox this PC, plug it into the wall, connect the included keyboard and mouse, and you're instantly ready to start playing. As with any product, it's important to look at the overall customer consensus. Currently, this specific model holds a rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon based on early customer reviews, and it holds strong positions in the bestsellers rank for tower computers. A 3.6 rating often means that while the vast majority of users are thrilled with the incredible raw performance and value of the RTX 5070 and 32 GB of DDR5, a few users might have had subjective preferences regarding case design or pre-installed software. However, from a pure hardware value standpoint, getting an i5-14400F, 32 GB of DDR5, and the brilliant RTX 5070 in a single, warranted package backed by a 1-year manufacturer limited warranty from a trusted brand like MSI is an incredibly compelling offer. So, what is the final verdict on the MSI Codex R2 D14 NVP5-613US? If you're a gamer, a content creator, or a student looking for a powerful machine for everyday use that won't be obsolete in 2 years, this desktop PC deserves your serious consideration. The transition to the RTX 50 series graphics and lightning-fast DDR5 memory provides a generational leap in performance that you'll genuinely feel every time you turn the system on. It gives you premium, high-tier gaming performance in a convenient, ready-to-go package. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, or if you just want to check the current pricing and availability, don't forget to click the link in the description below. Amazon frequently updates their prices and sometimes runs unannounced sales, so clicking the link is the best way to see the live deal right now. Thank you so much for tuning into today's review. If you found this breakdown of the MSI Codex R2 helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future PC gaming hardware reviews and tech recommendations. Drop a comment below and let me know, what is the first game you would play on an RTX 5070? I'd love to read your answers. Until next time, keep gaming, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.